What's going on, guys? Tony Dark here. So this is kind of a reaction video, I guess. I don't know what else I would call this, but we're gonna check out this Bugatti Chiron versus F1 car drag race, and I'll leave a link in the description to the original video, of course. Um, I'm just gonna say it right now. The F1 is gonna win. We'll see. I haven't seen this video yet, so I don't know what they're expecting. I really expect the F1 car to beat the Bugatti, hands down. So I'm gonna fast forward to the race now. See if we can get to it. They're just kind of talking about the cars. There's the cars. Let's see.
Okay, so I think Shaz, yeah, your car doesn't sound as good as that, does it? Should we get and do this? Should we get in race? Let's do it. Let's race.
All right, they're gonna race now.
Are you a little bit nervous?
Just a wee touch.
Do you reckon you're gonna win?
Absolutely.
You better win. You better win.
F1's gonna win.
Go, 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 go! Oh, now he's going. Come on! Oh, keep on going!
Holy crap on a stick!
Almost. Well.
I don't know what they expected. I honestly, let's see. Did they rematch? It looks like they might. Maybe they do it in different modes. Let's see. Let's see.
Come on, he's pulling out. Oh. Oh my God.
That was pretty close. Pretty close.
But yeah, you took off on second or third gear.
Yeah, I think I got a little bit too much wheel spin at the start, so I lost a little bit of get-go, but once the car's up and running, it's running sweet.
Well, you've won two, so even if I say best 2 out of 3, you've won overall. But can we do one more? Do you want to do one more? See if you can get a better start.
Again, I'm happy if the team are happy.
Would you like another go?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah, we're going to do this. Come on! Come on, we're ahead. Come on! No! Oh no, it's close! Oh my God! Woo! This car is quick!
I'll have to be honest, I didn't expect it to be that close. But yeah, that's really impressed. Really impressed. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think the Bugatti was gonna win? Did you guys think the F1 was gonna win? Let me know in the comments. Oh wait, before I go, don't forget to thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out my previous videos. And also check out my other YouTube channels. They are linked in my main page here. And thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.